What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today is part 2 of the camouflage wrap. Today we're gonna do the doors and the fenders. Let's do it. Alright guys, today is day 2 of the camouflage wrap. So today we're gonna do fenders and doors on both sides. But in order to do that, we have to remove these emblems, this one. I think I have to remove this. Yeah, I have to remove those plastics and door handles. All door handles, but I'm gonna remove 2 from one side, then do this side and then put it back, and then I'm gonna remove the other ones on the other side. After I'm done, I'm gonna put them back. Okay? So let's do that first. Alright guys, to remove the door handle, it has this plastic. I have to remove this plastic, and there's a screw inside there. Let me remove the plastic first. Alright, first we're gonna remove this plastic. That's it. And there's a screw inside there. You need a screwdriver like this. It's a T15. I don't know if you can see it. There, I don't know. Okay. Woof. It was hard. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see it. You have to be very careful not to break or scratch this. You have to lift this, lift it, and then play a little bit. Try to slide this and then pull. But be very careful, do it slowly. Don't force it, so you won't break this thing, because this is made of plastic. Everything is made of plastic. So the screw, just keep moving the screw to the left until you feel that it's getting a little bit tight, and then pull this one, and that's it. Alright, now we're gonna remove this other door handle. But one more thing, before you remove the door handles, roll the windows down, because if you remove all the door handles, you won't be able to open the door. So like this, I can open it here. Okay? Alright, let's do this one. And added tape, because like this I can tuck it inside here better with the tape. And here, there, and there. All right. Wow. Yes, I'm tired. But here you can see. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, it's too close. You can see it. It's real cool. All the edges tuck here, there. Corners super tight. All right, now the next thing, doors. Alright guys, now the doors are finished. Oh wow, looks amazing. Wow. How can I can't believe how a simple thing like a vinyl, it makes big difference. Wow. Alright, now this side is next. This fender and those two doors. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this handle here on my professional table. Alright, I already wrapped the handle. This one is not that hard. You just put the sheet on top and heat up the edges and cut it. That's it. It's not that hard. You can see it there, the corners. I still need to clean it, but because it has my fingerprints, but it's done. Cool. Alright guys, this was part 2 of the camouflage wrap. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. And hit the notification bell to see the process of this Dodge Charger, the full wrap, the camouflage wrap, okay? See you on the next video.